Hello world, this is Edmond Osuma broadcasting from Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, Southern Nigeria and West Africa to the billion coin community all over the world and of course the entire human race. Now, I have come in here today to share some thoughts with you to make you look at some stuff or at least make you understand your money is coming from where we are right now, where we're going to. Alright, I may not be able to end entire lecture. That's the reason why it's important for you to get the blog. It's important for you to actually watch educative post online like this. All right, that basically I'm here primarily to unveil the opportunity in the billion coin to each and every one that is privileged and blessed to get in touch with this video. All right, now before I do that, I want to play the theme song. This is a song that actually gets me jacked up every time because it actually explains a lot in my heart, and the video explains a lot that I want to do with the billion coin eventually, helping people bring in smiles and but let me just play a tip of the music. Enjoy with me, right? Just enjoy this song with me. Don't mind where I am. It's actually like a factory where a whole lot of things are happening, and I know in no longer time they will be embracing the billion coin as well. No longer time to embrace the billion coin. Right, let's yes, Bruno Mars and Travis McCoy, Billionaire featuring Bruno Mars. So enjoy this song. I wanna be in Forbes magazine. See myself in shining lights every night. Oh, I saw the world better prepare for my billionaire. Oh yeah. Okay. I don't even. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm on. You heard that song? It's mind blowing. It's amazing. The word better prepare when I become a billionaire. Guess what? A lot of us are already billionaires, we're millionaires. A lot of us are seeing our dreams come to pass before our very eyes. While others are still like, man, I can't use it now. I can't use it to buy something in my local supermarket. I don't think it's money. Now, the issue is this. I want to play you a short video about the truth about money. I'm not going to exhaust it, okay? You find out this in the Billion Coin blog. Alright, go back to the blog and get educated. So much word of resources out there, okay? Now just enjoy this video. I'll pause it where people like me come in. Alright, some people just like to cry and weep before they learn. Okay, but we've been born several times and we've got to know that when you get information and you take action, power comes to you. Now, watch this. Right. Suddenly things are just popping up. Oh wow. They splash money out so you think it's free. They want to give you a loan. They don't tell you the hidden things, the hidden conditions. You think life is just like that. They have plans. They have things they want to do. Right? Suddenly, why you think all is well, you're sleeping, you're dreaming. There's a reason why it is called a dream, right? You better find out. How sad. all that you have just got taken away like that. How sad. Who wants to listen? Nobody listens. Nobody. When they were giving you the loan, there were no bouncers, no big-chested men. But right now, you don't matter. Nobody wants to listen. Nobody wants to listen. While you are down on your knees crying, nobody listening to you, this is where we come in. Where we come into you every day with information. This is where we come in to save you. Okay? Remember, we are all the same. We grew up the same. But what we knew, what we tend to do, made us different. Alright? Alright? There's no much time, really. Great, 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 great. If you saw that, I'm here to show you how. I'm not here to help you get your dream back. Okay, let the truth be told. I'm not here to help you get your dream back. TBC admin is not here to help you get your dream back. We are only all here to show you how. TBC Randy is not here to help you get your dream back. Dan Loss is not here to help you do that. Nobody is here to help you get your dream back, because it's your responsibility to get your dream. Because after all, you're the one who's suffering, who's made the victims of that dream. That's why we say embrace TBC. It has come to bring an abundance that you cannot even imagine. The kind of abundance that blows your mind. The kind of abundance that even when you get into it, you will not believe yourself. I remember over the weekend, there was a certain bishop that was preaching. He started prophesying. He said there's something God wants to do for Christians and for humanity. That a wonder is coming. The kind of money that you cannot explain is coming. The kind of money, huge money. And I doubt if this guy knows about cryptocurrency. Which other money is he talking about that God is going to bless you with? The bank? No, the bank is not only going to throw its vault open and say, come and grab money. But money is coming to you free, with free cost now. Those that have vision will see and begin to understand that yes, this is what it is. Now, for now, I want to quickly get straight to let me read something here. Top 5 advantages of cryptocurrencies. Okay, top 5 advantages of cryptocurrency. I want to just pick some of the advantages that we highlighted here. Okay, I'll read this to you, then maybe you get a picture. Talk about financial inclusion. Financial inclusion, right? Easy international payments. We're experiencing that. Or you won't buy something right now. You just from wherever you are, your home, whether Saturdays, Sundays, whether midnight, 2 a.m. So long as the person is willing to sell and you're willing to pay, transaction is done seamlessly. Now, globalization. Any part in the world, you don't have to travel to meet someone to do business. Okay, cryptocurrency makes this possible. Globalization. It makes the world truly a little village, okay? I have not call it a village any longer. I say it makes the world a street where you can stand in one end and you see the other end. Wow. Now, digital and disruptive innovation. That's what cryptocurrency has brought. That's why a lot of people are still finding it difficult to understand what is happening. You see, why some of us are finding it difficult to understand the changes that happened about 50 years ago. Some of us actually are living 50, 60 years ahead of today. Okay, now disruptive innovation, digital and disruptive innovation is one of the advantages. Now, the 5th one is no counterfeiting. No counterfeiting. You have your wallet, it's with you, all the coins you have, no counterfeiting. There's nothing like fake. All right, 1, financial inclusion, easy internet payment, globalization, digital and disruptive innovation, no counterfeiting. Those are the 5. Now, let's get back to what the medium daily digest where I got that from. But let's see further what they want us to understand here. Top 5 cryptocurrencies, advantage of cryptocurrencies. It says the Greek philosopher Aristotle came up with 4 criteria to elucidate what can be considered as good money. 4 criteria, and this, Lee 2009 is cited here. Number 1, he said it must be durable. Of course, fiat money now is no longer durable. You have it. The devaluation, the inflation has made it worthless all over the world. Whether the dollar, pound, euro, they are all suffering silent. If you have an eye, like when you listen to the Dollar Vigilante, you follow how he's been doing, how he chronicles the event and the sudden collapse of all these currencies. You know it's right now. You begin to get into cryptocurrencies as fast as you can, because you cannot say you've not been warned. You can't listen to us, hear TBC's mission, hear TBC admin, read the post. You cannot say you've not been warned. Either you learn or you get burned. Alright? Now, it says it must be durable, it must be portable. Alright? It must be divisible, it must have intrinsic value. Now, portable, is it possible? Anything you want to do right now, you find millions of dollars, millions of naira, billions of naira is what you now use. How can you put billions of naira in your pocket? Way back those days, 8,000 naira can pay for your rent for over a year. 8,000 naira can buy you land, can you buy you some properties. Alright, but now it's not so. Okay, money is no longer portable. What you can carry right now cannot do you anything. Cannot even carry you from one end to another. Alright, if I want to pay for a flight, a fare from Nigeria to Los Angeles, I should be thinking about 1,600,000 to 1 million plus. Depends on the flight. Okay, can I put that in my pocket? Really? Can I actually put that in my pocket? It's no longer possible, really. Or like those days where like 2,000 can pay for your flight. It's no longer so. Now, it must be divisible. Alright? It must have intrinsic value. You judge that for yourself with the money in your hands and tell me what intrinsic value does it have today. Now, the window say money could be anything that can compensate for the exchange of goods and services and does not really have to be physical cash. Okay? Dating back, individuals use the barter system for exchange of goods and the IOUs. Okay? Physical money has been with us for thousands of years for a reason. An exchange mechanism that is governed and recognized by central authorities like the government and various regulatory bodies. Okay? Globally, ever since its evolution, cash has become the most common form of exchange. Okay, now, in the modern days, with the emerging technology, okay, and the advent of mobile devices, new trends have been unfolding where cash transactions are gradually being replaced by digital money. Okay, maybe you are still saying, I don't believe in that. I believe in my cash. All that, this and that. This Medium Daily Digest is not a Nigerian publication. It's a publication of, let me call it, financial watchers. Those who know what it is. Okay, they can tell you what is changing, just like the meteorologist can tell you about the weather. It's going to rain. Okay, it's going to be sun, and it will be so. That's exactly what is happening right now. Okay, it says in the modern days with emergency, cash has been the most common form of exchange. Cash has been the most common form of exchange way back. So, but in the modern days, with the emerging technologies and the advent of mobile devices, new trends have been unfolding where cash transactions are gradually being replaced by digital technology. Alright, according to McKinney, global payment revenue soared to $1.9 trillion in 2017, the best single year of growth in the last 5 years. Okay, you can see the charts. You can see the charts here. Alright. Out of which electronic transaction growth has also been growing rapidly, guys. Countries with high revenue growth are also characterized by rapid electronic transaction growth. By the way, I want to tell you that when I saw this daily digest, I subscribed to it. They sent me mails and publications, cryptocurrency, financial evolution, and what is happening, and it has been mind-blowing. It just went on to tell us basically that cryptocurrency has come to stay. And when I even listened to the Dollar Vigilante today, trying to talk about how, I think, is it Lee Spence, is it the Vice President of the United States, how he said there's no inflation, they just have to lower interest rates, which was a bunch of lies. Okay, a bunch of lies. Government will cover up until they can cover up no more. But guess what? The people in government, they are already investing in cryptocurrency, such that if it collapses tomorrow, they just switch. But you that follows the government, no, government must tell me first, government must say this, they must say that.